it's Brooke with WTI. If you have been wanting to upgrade your trash can, well, you've got to check this out.
This 13-gallon tilt trash can cabinet by Zvyteay is so incredible. I love how useful it is, and I just appreciate the extra storage, the quality of this trash can area, and now everything looks really high class. This farmhouse design is beautiful and really easy to take care of and just looks like it belongs in my kitchen. I love the functionality of this and the iron handles. Nothing is loose or wonky. Everything works accordingly. The drawers are perfectly set in place and open and close so nice and smoothly. And what I love is that the hinge, it stays closed, and then when you open it, there is this rust-proof hinge that allows it to stay open at 3 different levels. Also, it has a base that's 18.1 by 11.3 inches. So if you want your trash can open wide, you can do that, and it's easy to set your trash can inside this cabinet. If you just want to open a little bit, you can kind of see that it can open, have it cracked open, and it just makes it really easy to quickly put your trash in there, but also keep it looking so pretty. The extra storage is really convenient. I didn't realize I needed it. You can hinge it to the back of the wall so it's secure, but I love that even without it being screwed to the wall, everything open, this is solid and nothing tilts over. I also appreciated how easy this was to put together.
We love it, but that's just our point of view.